beautiful. So we're going for a walk. It's really nice. They're butts. Look at them. No. I'm practicing vlogging. Shut up.
Oh, God.
Look at them.
Look at how tiny she is.
I'm tiny. I'm a short person. It's fine.
Half a person.
I am
put
half
your
a
hand
person.
in front of the camera.
I know. I'm learning. It's fine. It's weird. You're so tall compared to me. That was weird. But no, as soon as we went out, the weather turned and it started raining ever so slightly. Wasn't that nice? Oh my god, it's so sunny. Why is it sunny? So weird. Yeah. In the savannah, where wild tigers and bears come to visit, where a wild Viking and a wild bird, motherfucking tweet,
Rawr.
Viking, rawr.
You went the wrong way.
Beep.
Backpacks, school books, so if you landed in it, it'd be fun.
Yeah, speed is the key over there.
You really want me to sacrifice my life?
Well, you
Yes,
said it's
your
not that
life.
bad. I think the guests should do it realistically, but you know.
Wow.
Oh.
Hold on, let me do this.
No.
Not a nice way. Yes, train. Follow the water.
No. Really that bad?
I'll show you one step. It's how bad it is.
Oh, come on.
How cold is the water?
Too bad, right?
Okay. I'll hold your phone.
My phone's already been in the water.
Oh, nee.
I'm going.
Fine.
You get me back?
You get me, bruh?
Bruh.
Fuck off, I mean.
I don't film you while you eat.